Hey guys, Jerome Wallace here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about having an affiliate marketing website versus having a sales funnel in your affiliate marketing business. If you continue watching until the end, I will share with you my number one recommendation for starting an online business and creating your very own sales funnel. All I ask is that you smash the like button, leave me a comment, because that is going to help me grow my channel and create more video content like this in the future. Assuming that you have already smashed that like button, let's go. Okay, like I said, I'm going to share with you the difference between having a website for your affiliate marketing business versus having a sales funnel. I will share with you the reason why having a website doesn't work and 4 reasons why a sales funnel is the optimal tool that you will need to have in your affiliate marketing business. The ultimate reason why a website doesn't work is because a website is more of a digital brochure and a storefront. They serve as an online presence to showcase your products and offerings and provide information about your business. Expecting visitors to arrive at your website and make a purchase immediately in today's age is unrealistic. Because when visitors come to your website, they are in the early stages of the buying journey. To convert these customers into buyers, you need to have a persuasive and a structured approach, hence a sales funnel. So what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a strategic framework that is designed to take your customers through a journey, gradually nurturing their trust and interest through the journey until they are ready to make a purchase. It is a process having multiple stages, each with a specific goal. So that brings me to step 1 of why you need to have a sales funnel, and how to set up that sales funnel in 4 stages. The first stage is you need a lead page or a lead capture page. This page is the entry point to your sales funnel, a dedicated page that is designed to do only one thing: capture your visitors' contact information. This contact information is extremely invaluable because it will allow you the opportunity to stay in contact with your visitor throughout the journey and even beyond. Having their contact information gives you the opportunity to build a relationship with them over time and ongoing. If you are enjoying this video so far, hit that like button and also consider subscribing too, because doing that gives me the opportunity to create more content like this for you and my channel to grow. And if you are really serious about starting an online business, affiliate marketing business, don't forget to check the link in my bio for more information. With that being said, let's continue. The second factor you need to have in your sales funnel is a lead magnet. This is the bait that entices your visitor to give you their contact information. This can be in the form of an ebook, a webinar, a free trial, or a free course that you have to offer them. This acts as a valuable exchange where your visitors receive something of value in return for giving you their contact information. Step 3, the sales page. Once you've captured your leads and built trust, it's time now to present your main offer. This is the stage where you provide detailed information about your product or your service. Here is where you address the highlights of your products or services and address any objections about the purchase. This is the moment where you encourage your visitors to take action and make a purchase. Stage 4 in the process, the upsell. If the sales funnel doesn't end with a purchase, here comes the upsell. In the upsell stage, This is where you offer the opportunity to increase the transaction value by providing a complimentary or upgraded products. This is a great way to maximize revenue and provide additional value to your visitors. So with that being said, let me break down the ultimate purpose for having a sales funnel in your business. It is to guide your visitors through a structured journey that transforms them from curious customers to loyal customers. It's about building trust, providing value, and offering solutions to your visitors' problems. Unlike a website, a sales funnel is dynamic and personalized, adapting to the needs and behaviors of your visitors. Well, that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. I hope I was able to provide some value to you today. Please go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Please, that helps me grow my channel and continue to create valuable content like this ongoing. Leave me a comment. Let me know how this video has touched you, or if it provided you any valuable information, or just simply give me some feedback. I would certainly appreciate it as I continue to grow my channel. And like I said, I'm going to share with you my #1 recommendation for starting a business online if you have no experience and you do not know where to start. The information is in the link in my bio. I have a free video that I want to share with you, and also I have a free gift to offer you just for taking your time to be with me today.